Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Sanne and I'm super happy that you found this video. As you can tell from the headline, this video will be all about how to make your own personalized hair clip. I am sure no fashion interested person out there has missed this season's big trend when it comes to hair, which is hair accessories and especially hair clips. They come in all different shapes and colors, and all the big brands has their own version of this very fun accessory. Gucci, for example, has one with Gucci spelled in small diamonds on it. And I was super inspired by this and wanted to make my own personalized one, as I also did not feel like pay $200 for just a hair clip. So I've bought all the stuff that you need to make your own hair clip, and this video will show you how to do it. So let's get started. So here are the things you need. First of all, a hair clip, of course. I bought this one at Glitter for 69 kroner, which is approximately $6 or so. And here, of course, you can take one that you like. You will also need something to write your name with, or whatever you want to write. I bought these decoration pearls, and they are actually stickers, which will make it easier for me to actually make this look nice. You would also need glue, so I bought this super glue, and also something to put them on with. Also, a white blank paper can be good to have, just to protect what you have underneath. Let's get started. So this is how my hair clip looks right now. I will fix some things to make it more even, but now it's time to start removing these and actually glue them on. So it's super important that you place them where you want them. So yes, let's get started. I have opened my glue and I will put it here. Now it's super important that you have this paper so nothing happens to the table. And I will actually start with the S. I will take that, put it in some glue, and just stick it on. So I am finally done with my hair clip. Here is the result. And I must admit, this was much harder than I thought it would be. If I were to do it again, or if I would give you a recommendation if you would like to do one as well, I would not use the ones that are stickers. This actually made it all much harder, since the sticker part stuck to the clip and not to the actual pearl. So when removing it, the pearl fell off and the glue was still on the clip, which I had to remove bit by bit. But for being the first time, I'm super happy with the result. So let's see how it looks styled in my hair.